guys. Alright, so we've got the Camaro done, which looks really good. Jay gave it a really nice polish, which looks nice. So what we ended up doing, as you know, extensive work to the engine bay. What I will do, I'll open up the bonnet and you can see how we're looking. So basically, we've got the stripes running through, which I don't know if you can see it in the camera. When I took photos the other night, it was looking, you couldn't really see it, but so we've got the stripes which go through, all the air intakes, you know, so it's not suffocating his motor. They're black perforated steel, and all our beautiful shapes. We've got the radiator cap which you can access there, and our washer bottle which we will paint black. Also we did the firewall, which has a nice panel welded into it. Now that's all gloss, and the inner skirts have been blanked and painted all one colour gloss. There you have it. Hopefully once the big block's in, it's going to look like a very, very sexy engine bay.